Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add extension repositories to Cloudstream. So first thing, you open your Cloudstream app, then you select the settings icon on the bottom right corner, then you find extensions here, you click on add repository, then you go out of the app, you open your browser, then you search for Cloudstream extensions. After that, you should find Cloudstream Wiki, the first website you selected, and it should take you to this list of extension. You can browse it and then find your extension that you want to download. For example, I will choose this one. Then you click on this direct install link and it should take you back to Cloudstream app. So you just click dismiss, then cancel, then you should find your extension added here. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.